Heat waves kill corals, but not all of them. We look at the corals that have resisted those heat waves and say, how did you survive? We use genomic tools to study how marine organisms adapt to climate change. In particular, how corals can adapt to heat waves. Hi, I'm Steve Palumbi. I'm a professor in the Oceans Department and the Biology Department, and this is why our research matters. Strong heat waves particularly affect corals because it causes their symbionts that they have inside them to be expelled and they turn from tan to white. It's called coral bleaching. Coral bleaching has killed corals all over the world in global bleaching events, leading to the demise of some reefs from 100% coral down to 20 or 30%. Corals are sometimes called architecture species because they not only build reefs, they build an entire ecosystem that's inhabited by thousands of fish species, thousands of invertebrates, and they feed millions of people. And they protect shorelines all over the world. From the standpoint of an evolutionary biologist, what I see are the corals that don't bleach. They're the same species, they're just different colonies, and here's one that bleaches, and here's one right next to it that doesn't bleach. And so I see that as an asset, and we ask, why did this one not bleach? This one ecosystem is hugely important to hundreds of millions of people. And this is a question of taking this basic research we've been doing and turning that into tools that people can use where they live to make their lives better. It's pretty amazing when you get a call or you get an email or a text, and on the other end is a small community on a small island, and they're saying, can you help us? We heard you do this. Can you help us bring our reefs back? They want their livelihoods back, and they know there's a link between the corals and their livelihoods, so they're asking for help. And that's when you know what you're doing really begins to matter.